In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an update on your Google Business Profile. Having an active presence on your Google Business Profile can significantly enhance your visibility online and keep your customers informed and engaged with your business. So let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, we'll begin by heading over to your web browser and typing in business.google.com. This will direct you to the Google My Business homepage. If you're not already signed in, look towards the upper right corner of the page and click on Sign In. You'll need to enter the Gmail account associated with your business. Now, if you've been logged in previously, Google will conveniently redirect you directly to your business dashboard. However, if that's not the case, there's no need to worry. You can go to Google search and simply type in My Business or your specific business name. This should help bring up the dashboard you need to access your Google Business Profile. Now that we're in the dashboard, let's move on to making our update. On your Google Business dashboard, you'll want to look for the Add section. Clicking on this will bring up an Add Update window. Here you will see a few options, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to focus exclusively on adding a general update. Go ahead and select the Add Update option. In this section, you've got a bit of creative freedom. Share what's new or forthcoming in your business, whether that's a special promotion, exciting news, or any other update you'd like your customers to know. It's important to be concise yet informative. Remember, your update reflects your business, so make it engaging and memorable. You also have the opportunity to upload an accompanying photo to make your update visually appealing. Additionally, don't forget about the description area. This is your chance to elaborate on your update, giving extra details that might interest or benefit your audience. Also, you can choose to add an optional button by clicking on the drop-down menu. This button could guide your customers to take a specific action like learn more, sign up, or order now, whichever is relevant to your update and fits your business goals. Once you've filled out all the details and you're satisfied with your update, you have the option to preview it. Previewing lets you see exactly how your update will look to your customers once it's live. If everything looks great and you're ready to share it with the world, go ahead and hit post to finalize. That's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully posted an update, keeping your Google Business Profile active and your audience informed. Keep using this process moving forward to maintain a dynamic presence for your business online. Thank you for joining today and happy updating.